Hi, my name is Ashwin. So, I'm a product manager and a full stack developer in a startup, and this is me trying to build an application from scratch. This is going to be a series where I try to do that, and like I always want to give my hand in this build in public thing. I guess most of you guys are already familiar with Mark Lu and all the other building public creators. So I also wanted to try that. It kind of appeared to me like a free marketing strategy for anything that we build. So I was like, yeah, let's give it a try. So this is going to be my first time making a video with my face in it. I don't have any beautiful backgrounds or anything. This is going to be raw, and I guess there is going to be a lot of mistakes, weird accents, everything. You have to bear with me. So coming back to the idea is Duolingo for fitness. In simple terms, I would call that. Uh, like most of you guys are already familiar with. I guess everyone is almost familiar with what Duolingo is, even if they have never used it. So Duolingo is this language learning app. They're kind of like the benchmark in that particular industry, and they have made it so good that almost anyone can learn any language, at least to some extent. They've nailed the UI UX also. They're really good. So the idea is to do what Duolingo did with language learning in terms of fitness. Like I want to do what Duolingo did to language learning to fitness. So I want to gamify it. I want to make it entertaining. I want to make it such that people keep motivated to do the right thing, to keep working out, leveling up, etc. So it is going to be kind of like a fusion between what Pokemon did and Duolingo. Like Pokemon, when we train Pokemons and they evolve. So it's kind of like the same. I would say it is kind of like the same mechanics here, but in Duolingo style. I will get to. I will. No, I will get to. I will talk more about it. Uh, Let me just show you the wireframing that I'm doing, and this is kind of like the early idea stage. I'm writing down everything. I'm wireframing the UI. So I'm taking heavy inspirations from I'm taking inspirations heavily from Duolingo. They've nailed the UI UX. I will show you some wireframes that I've made. As you can see, this is the wireframe that I was doing. It's not that much clean, I would say. So this is kind of like the onboarding flow that is, collecting all the information that is needed, and then a very poor representation of what the home screen is going to look like. It is still in progress, so I'll talk about it later. And you might be wondering why building public? Why don't you do that? As I said before, this is kind of like the free marketing resource that I have right now. I don't have that much a big budget or in terms of anything to advertise this at this stage. It is a very early stage project. So I was like, let's try making videos and let's see if people are interested. And let me like it's kind of like I'm trying to gather people with the same mindset. And at the very least, I'm hoping to get some beta users so that I can test the application once it's released. Like nothing is like there is nothing fixed about this project. Okay, so yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Take care.